Good morning, guys. Our last full day here has begun. So yeah, basically back to the beginning of where every day starts. Just walking Rosie. She's going in circles, tangling me up. But yeah, basically that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, so just got up and ate some breakfast and got dressed and came to take her out. It's like, I don't know, like 8:30, 9 o'clock, I think. I really don't know what exact time it is. It's 9:39, never mind, it's 9:30. A little bit later than I thought it was gonna be, but you know, that's fine. You little girl. Miserable and my Pops is not happy.
Hey, I would have been even harder if I had a black shirt on.
Imagine how hot Rosie is. Potty. Anyway, so we're about to go down to the beach. Good girl. I'm just pottying Rosie, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's what I do. You wanna go to the beach? Yeah. Where are we going?
Go over here, there's lots more.
Okay.
Right you there, folks.
Yeah, for sure. Come on, Rosie.
Come on, little fruit.
Nicholas, stop. I can't run. Alright, so super fast day recap because my phone is running out of storage and I'm going to be able to vlog tomorrow. And then I don't need it again, so, you know, whatever. Anyway. So basically what we did was we woke up, we went to a hike, probably my last hike I will ever go on. I hated every second of it. It triggered a lot of medical episodes. I had to sit down and then I had to keep going. Pure sun, heat triggers POTS if you didn't know. If you didn't know that, you should go watch my POTS video. Anyway, and then, yeah, so I got super sunburn on the top of my head, all over my body, like, guys. And so, yeah, got super sunburnt, sucks a freaking lot. Okay, and then after that, we went through Taco Bell, had lunch, and then we came back, we went to the beach, took Rosie back up here, went to the pool for like an hour or two. Actually spent some good time at the pool, that was fun. And then we came back up here, took a shower, got ready, kind of chilled for a little bit. And then we went to Olive Garden for dinner. And then we came back, we were gonna get Rosie and go golfing. But by the time we came back, I was completely out of spoons. I only have maybe one, and that's only because we came back and sat here. Because we came back and sat here. So, yeah, and there's another dog barking, if you're wondering why Rosie is kind of barky. So, yeah. Anyway. So, we came back here, and yeah, that's basically what's happening. Just kind of resting, probably going to put some more medicine on my sunburn, and just going to kind of chill for the rest of the night. So, yeah, that's basically what has happened today. It's been a pretty chill day for the most part, I think. So yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much it. So anyway, on with the vlog. We go home tomorrow. Sadness, but actually I'm very excited to go home. I do have 2 doctor's appointments on Thursday though, so fun cardiologist appointment and stuff. I think Rosie's coming with me, but I don't know. So we'll see. But anyway, that's what's happening. It'll be nice to be home though. I was ready to come home a while ago, so fun times. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying the video. Alright, on forward.